Try Sean's Vault free for 14 days.
All right, my friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is compressed athletic training. Under 10 minutes. One breath for each pose. It's non-stop flowing. I'm calling this maybe Master the Balance. There's so much noise behind me. I'm gonna put the cap on. The sun is actually peeked out for a second. Breathe in the nose and out the nose. Are you ready? Check in below. Let me know your thoughts. And let's tuck the chin. Modify as needed. Anytime this is too much, do a different flow. All right, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Left foot forward, lunge. A lot of vinyasa flows here. We're gonna hinge forward, set the hands down, take it through the flow. Leg up or both the legs back. Come to downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up, right foot forward, lunge. I don't want my notes to blow away. Hinge, down, vinyasa. Shoulders in front of the wrists, and then we lift up dog. Downward facing dog. Again, the lunge. Line up the ankle and the knee. Hinge, get the heart rate up, and go. Lots of breath. Total control. Down dog. Right leg up, right foot forward. You can always repeat this workout several times if you like. Hinge, vinyasa, elbows into the sides. Downward facing dog. All right, keep it going. Left foot forward. Take the lunge, pull the arms back. Cactus arms. Hinge, vinyasa. If the vinyasa flow gets to be too much, just go back to down dog and wait till I get there. Open, there goes a squirrel. Cactus arms. Hinge. Why is it so loud around here? Non-stop loudness. All right, up dog, down dog. Take a breath. How you doing? Stay with me. Again, each side. Let's add those cactus arms. Open. Open the chest. Hinge. It's like an 80s music video move. Vinyasa flow. Down dog. Right foot forward. Lunge. Precision. Cactus arms. Reach. And flow. Get off the mat. All right, we're adding tree pose to the mix. Are you ready for some tree? Monday night tree. Take the left foot forward. Lunge. Transition to tree. Take the heel below or above the knee or ankle on the thigh. Shoulders down. Arms up. Good. Step back to lunge. Hinge. Flow. Let's do it on the other side. Down dog. Athletic conditioning. Right foot. Get the lunge first. Step forward. Take your tree option. Ha ha. Big tree. Arms up. Extended. Find your focus. Step back. Lunge. Hinge. Oh, even out the rough spots. Flow. Or step back to down dog and await us. Let's do that again. Left foot forward. Hey, the sun's out. Tree. Pick your option. Just don't put your heel right against your knee. Arms up. Lunge. Oh, we got it. Hinge. Lengthen the spine. Vinyasa flow. Melting. I'm melting. Down dog. Other side. Keep that focus, my friends. Keep your eyes in one spot. Tree. Extended. Step back. Lunge, hinge, and flow. Take it to down dog. Extra breath. Relax the shoulders. Now walk the hands back, rounding up. Couple shoulder rolls, we're not done yet. We're gonna add a crouching tree. How about a third shoulder roll? Here we go, my friends, let's do it. Tuck the chin, focus, walk it out. Downward facing dog. Adding the crouching tree. Left foot forward, lunge. Okay, take the ankle on top, crouch down. Open that hip. Now rise back up, take the arms tall. Practice this one, practice. Don't mind the wobbling, we're all gonna do it. Beautiful, hinge and flow. Oh yes. I'm stuck on these flows. Right foot forward. There's the lunge. Bring it to tree. Oh, that breeze is trying to get me. Crouch, sink back. Think of it as a one-legged chair. Rise up. This is hitting reverse. Really causes us to work harder. Nice. Whoop. Hey. All right, back to lunge. Hinge. Give me that. And flow. Let's do that again, each side. Feeling good? Feeling that total body conditioning? Okay, tree. Crouch. Crouching tree. Hey, the vibrato threw me off. Rise up. How you doing? Oh, that's good. Excellent. Step back. Oh, and hinge. Flow. I'm not kidding, this is non-stop. Either you're having the time of your life, or you're having the time of your life and you're miserable at the same time. But it's a good misery, Schadenfreude. Joy through pain. Tree, crouch. You can loop this, do it 2 or 3 times. Rise up. Oh, hey, mister. Okay, step it back. Oh, my friends, this is so good. What time do we have there? Okay, almost there. Vinyasa. Up dog. Couple hip dips each side. The sun's out. This is magical. I feel like Dumbledore. Again, walk the hands back, rise up, build that spine. 3 shoulder rolls. What am I laughing at? What's so funny? Why so serious? Tuck the chin, down we go. One more flow, my friends. Come to down dog. We're adding a knee in. Left foot forward, lunge. Now draw that right knee in, round the back. Like I'm going somewhere, but I stopped. Okay, back. Let's do that again. 2 times. Pull that knee in. I feel like I'm creeping somewhere. All right, lunge, hinge forward. Nice, vinyasa flow. Down dog. Right foot forward. Lunge, bring the knee in. See what happens. Keep the eyes focused. So you're scrunching your abdominals. Nice, step back, lunge, land gently with precision. Once again, knee in, focus right down there. Aha, beautiful. Can't get enough. I just can't get enough. Hinge. Let's do it one more on each side. A little faster. Flow it through to down dog. Left foot forward, lunge. Press that right heel down. Knee comes in, round even further. And back. One more time. Rounding, rounding, rounding. And back. That's the stuff. Hinge, flow. Very light, effortless. One more time. Right foot forward. 2 times with the knee in. One more time. Oh, I got a little ahead of myself. Learned a lot of lessons in these flows. Big one, stay in the moment. One more flow. Let's make it the best one. Not bad. Pummel. And downward facing dog. Walk the hands back, rising up. 2 shoulder rolls. Beautiful work, my friends. You want more? Simply repeat it a couple times. It's me, Coach Vigue. Subscribe, like, comment below, check in below what you think. I'm filming a few of these short non-stop flows for this channel, so keep me posted. And I think it's time that you took your training to the next level. What am I talking about? Right here.
On my best-selling book, Power Yoga for Athletes, over 100 yoga poses for all ages and fitness levels, as well as 25 complete yoga flows and training logs for all the major sports. Get your copy today, or perhaps you do better with 4 copies.